Removing a VTC actuator on a 2008 Honda Accord. What I did is I bought two 23 mil wrenches. Put another wrench as a support here on the bottom. I just used the 5/8. It doesn't really matter what size it is, but these do matter. 23 fit pretty good. So you want to put them in this position. I use two. You can use one. I use two just in case I less stress on the cam, perhaps. Then you got a 17 mil, a nice extension bar, and then I also used extension tube because they're torqued to 83, I think 90 foot-pounds. And then you just turn it. I already got it loose. I'm not going to retorque it again, but I got it loose. Whoops. Anyways, I'm changing the timing chain, the guides, the VTC actuator, and the tensioner. And I'm not removing the cam. Thanks for watching.